Alright, y'all, here's the free website to get y'all started. So, you're gonna go to this website, motorclubcompany.com/login/. When you get here, my, when you get here, click the sign up now button. My mouth is dry, y'all, excuse me. So what you're gonna do is, it said enter your TVC Matrix username. You use the username that you created on the last video. Enter that name here. See, mine is Sweet Ressa 6. Oh, 6. So that's gonna go there. I already got an account. You see has up there? It's gonna pop up down here. Then you put your email account that you sign up with TVC Matrix for. Then you're gonna do create a password, verify your password, and click sign up now. And what you're gonna do is click log in. And here you're gonna come here and do your profile settings. And then you can put all your information in, upload picture, display name. You can put any display name. It's gonna say remove your profile from website. You could choose career page for main site, first name, last name, phone number, and then make sure you put your member ID here. Make sure, and then you put your little whatever you want right here. And then what you're gonna do is go here, your free websites, and then you're gonna use any one of these. The main one is a third career page, but when I start off I use any one. Okay, it really don't matter which one you use. And this one at the bottom is your capture page. This is what it's gonna look like. If you get this to people, I advise you to use this because they're gonna put their information in. When they click this, their information gonna come to you in your email account. That way you can keep up with your leads. You need to follow up with your leads every 2 days. You need to do that every 2 days in order to get your sales. You can't just send your information and not follow up with them. And they can be like, well, that's not very professional. Now I don't want to sign up with them. But you got to make them want to sign up by following up with them. So use this, okay? This is all for this training. I will continue on the next training in a few.